again you have jumped from your stand as the space of awareness to the body mind. The moment you jump to the body mind, you say, I am the body mind. I am the doer. I am the thinker. Yes, the moment the I shifts back to its correct position, it recognizes I cannot do. I cannot do. My reality is the awareness in which action happens through the body and mind. For example, your own dream state. Sometime at least you must have become aware in the dream that I'm dreaming. And have you noticed? Oh, I am dreaming. I notice the dream character. He's still doing what he has to do in the dream. The script does not change. The dream script is going perfectly. He's doing his actions. I have become aware that I am dreaming. Yes, it's exactly the same thing. You continuously remain aware that I am awareness. I am not this waking dream character. The moment you think I am the waking dream character, you feel I have to do. And then when I nurture that belief that I have to do, then you think, oh, I have to take this decision or I have to not take this decision. I have to do this action or I don't have to do this action. You go into your own story creation and the whole drama plays. When you wake up and recognize, I am awareness, you recognize, oh, the waking dream, body mind operates automatically. It has a program code, an embedded program code, just like a computer code. A computer runs its software program automatically in the background. This body mind is running its program automatically. I was interfering, thinking that this is I, and I have to act like this, and I don't have to act like this. This is the main revelation of Advaita level 2. Yes, this is where you need to work a little more and see, I am still confusing myself with the body mind, and I feel I have to act. I have to take this decision. And the moment you take responsibility of the action and decision, either you're happy about it or you're sad about it. And then you keep shuttling between happy, sad, happy, sad, happy, sad. That is suffering. Wake up and recognize I am creating this suffering because of my wrong understanding that I am the body mind. So again and again, I shift. The moment I shift, I recognize this body mind takes its action automatically. Mind is already programmed to take the decision. It takes it automatically. It does not need my interference. Yes. So the only error that has happened is you again took the stand of I am body mind. The suffering is only when I feel I am suffering from whatever is happening to the body mind, or I am enjoying what is happening to the body mind. Yes, it's a matter of waking up. Wake up right now and see the separation. Yeah. This is an already programmed code. Programmed by me, the consciousness only. My problem is because of the veiling power of Maya, I have forgotten it. I have only programmed it this way. There is no Satan outside that does something evil to Brahman. No. Brahman himself is playing a game with himself, like you played hide and seek in childhood. He's playing hide and seek with himself. Yeah. This is very experiential. You have to recognize that this is happening. Yeah. So work on recognizing it experientially. Do not take what Ekta is saying blindly. You will not gain anything by blind belief. You have collected a lot of blind belief in the past and you're collecting more now. No point. Jnana Sangha path is only the path of direct experiential knowledge. Yeah. So I will experientially get there. Okay.